Hello and welcome to Update 1 on what is now Tropical Storm Desmond, currently at 20.9 degrees south, 38.6 degrees east as of 4 a.m. Central African Time on January 21st. It has winds of 40 miles an hour and a pressure of 1,000 millibars, and it is a Stage 3 on the CDPS scale, meaning significant damages will come to places that are impacted by the storm if it were to make landfall at its current intensity. Here are the distances in miles from different places to the storm. So, from Villanueva, 222 miles. From Beira, you can see 267 miles. From Moma, 291 miles. No watches or warnings are in effect right now, as the storm is expected to weaken before it does make its eventual landfall in Mozambique. Therefore, there is not much reason to issue any watches or warnings at this time. Looking at the GFS, this is what the GFS is saying. So currently we are at Monday now, at this point, and we will be moving into Tuesday. So this is Tuesday, where we're at right now. Now we are moving into Wednesday. So now it's currently Wednesday, and the storm still lingering over land, producing lots of rain. It is now Thursday. You can see another tropical cyclone beginning to develop there. And you can see finally, by the time we do get to Friday, there's still rain lingering over Mozambique. Lots of rain is expected to accumulate. Getting into sea surface temperatures, those are looking excellent for this system, looking very favorable. It's wind shear that's hindering it right now, but if it weren't for wind shear, this could be an exceptionally dangerous storm. Here's the storm's winds. So as it does move up wind-wise, here it is. We're at around the Tuesday time frame now, as this does make landfall with tropical depression winds. Green is tropical storm force winds, and blue is around tropical depression force. Really not much to see, as it doesn't look like this storm is going to last much longer. Although, like I said before, there is the potential of another tropical cyclone developing, not depicted on this model. Here we are. These are the chances of tropical storm force winds in the following areas. In Villanueva, 45%, in Beira, 45%, in Quelimane, 60%, in Morro de Nava, 5%, and in Moma, 30%. Those are your chances of tropical storm force winds. Wind gusts are accounted for in this probability estimate, as those can do just as much damage as the sustained winds. Here is the intensity according to these models. The HWRF still predicting a Category 2 ultimately by the end of this. Definitely not going to happen. Please ignore that. And please ignore that Category 4 intensity. You also see the HWRF picks up another potential tropical cyclone that hasn't even developed yet. That's why that's there. Here's the wind shear. The storm is no longer expected to be tropical by the 23rd and is supposed to be over land. That is why you see the wind shear, despite falling off from the GFS and going up on the CTCX, not really being there after that. Here's the track, the HWRF, the only one to keep it over water and loop it around before hitting land again. Sea surface temperatures are going to be favorable, though, before it does strike, with relative humidity going down. Here's the satellite imagery. It is looking pretty nice on the storm right now when it does come to a weak tropical storm. It definitely has some organization at its center. How long it's going to last is unknown.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.